Good morning, it's Friday the 2nd of June and we're in the second day of the Champions League Festival. I'm speaking today because I feel I want to directly rebut some of the stories that have appeared in the press this morning about police officers dispersing the homeless community of Cardiff and asking them to leave the city for 4 days or the period of the festival. It couldn't be more untrue. There is no organisational policy or direction to police officers to move people out of the city centre. Clearly we interact with the homeless community on an ongoing basis, and our overriding aim is to work with them, work with the local authority and third sector to support them and signpost them to services that are available in and around the city centre. Clearly police officers interact with the homeless community, and sometimes we have to interact with them because of some aggressive begging or there may be some drunkenness, but we seek not to arrest them, we seek to support and direct them with our colleagues in the local authority and with our colleagues in the third sector, and that's been always our aim. There's been mention of using powers of dispersal. I can say categorically we have not used powers of dispersal for well over a month or so in relation to antisocial behaviour or begging by the homeless community in Cardiff. So I think it's appropriate for me to say this directly and explicitly now. We work with the community. They are often very vulnerable. We work with our partners to try and make the best for them as we can, and that will be continuing to be our policy. So I think that's an important statement to make at this time, and hopefully that clarifies matters.